Yes, maraming salamat ang ating best player of this ball game with a lot of energy. Attorney Noni Tagalikod, ano yung mindset nyo during the last few minutes of that ball game na talagang hindi nyo pinakawalan ang bola? You made sure that you were able to take care of every possession important for the DOJ.
Well, nung mga nakaraang kasing laro, it's like we were not playing to the best of our ability. Ngayong araw, sabi namin, let's trust ourselves, let's trust each other, and let us give each other a chance. So hanggang dulo, sabi namin, kaya natin to, laro lang tayo, and true enough sa tulong ng Panginoon at ng ating mga kampe, nakuha natin itong panalong ito.
You will be facing your last game against the Ombudsman dito po sa ating quarterfinals round. Ngayon po na may 5-4 kayo sa win-loss record natin, gaano ka-importante na maipanalo nyo rin yung next game nyo kontra sa Ombudsman team?
Sa phase na ito sa quarterfinals, every win ay parang pinaghihirapan talaga. Every win is important at iba yung quality ng laro ngayon sa quarterfinals. So, this win is really important at kung makukuha pa namin yung sunod na panalo sa Ombudsman, which is really a very good team, hi Sir Rex. So sana maswertehin ulit kami. Pero ganun pa man, maraming salamat sa panalong ito.